Bonjour, how you doing? I am Junaid and welcome back again to Xfinity. Today I will show you how to fix lagging and chopping playback in Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2020-2021 while video editing in your timeline. I know it is very exhausting to edit a video in such situation. That's why I found a way to fix lagging and chopping playback in Adobe Premiere Pro CC using proxies. So we will see how to make your own proxies, how to ingest proxies from Adobe Media Encoder CC 2021, and how to set up proxies in Adobe Premiere Pro to make your 4K video editing smooth and flexible. So without any further delay, let's initiate. Alright fellas, so in this video we will see how we can fix the lagging and chopping of playback in our timeline while you are editing videos in Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2020 or 2021. Basically we are going to use proxies which are going to help us in maximizing the performance and making our timeline very smooth. In this video we will see how we can create the proxies, how we can ingest the proxy preset from Adobe Media Encoder, and how we can use the already made ingested presets into our Premiere Pro CC 2020. But there is a requirement: you need to have Adobe Media Encoder to start working on it. Alright, so make sure to watch this video till the end, and don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Alright, so let us dive straight into Adobe Premiere Pro CC. As you can see, I am right inside the Premiere Pro, and first of all we need to have a 4K footage. I am just going to import my 4K footage. As you can see, I have successfully imported my 4K footage into my project in Adobe Premiere Pro, and now I will need to drag it across my timeline. Now you can see a yellow line here above the video, which means that this video is being accelerated using GPU. It is not CPU RAM based, it is GPU based, and it will use GPU to render everything. If you are facing 4K footage lagging and chopping in your timeline, this video is perfect for you. First of all, you need to go to File, you need to navigate to Project Settings and click on General. And here you need to make sure the render is selected as CUDA or OpenGL. If you have NVIDIA graphics card, you can select CUDA. And if you have AMD graphics card, you can select OpenGL or CL. Alright, then you need to click on OK. Now we are going to create the proxies, and follow me along how we can create the successful proxies. You need to go to File and navigate to Exports and click on Media. And here you need to select under Format QuickTime, and in Presets you need to make sure the Apple ProRes 422 proxy is selected. Alright, and after that you need to go to Width and Height, uncheck this box, and you can write 720 here. It will be 720 pixel proxy, or you can write 1080 here. It will be 1080 pixel proxy. Alright, and the next thing, you need to go to Effects and select Name Overlay and write proxy here, and make sure the format is selected as prefix and suffix only. Alright, and you can also set its position wherever you like, but I like to keep it at bottom left. Alright, as you can see the proxy here, it will help us in identifying whether we are in the proxies or the original files. Alright, and one more thing, you need to make sure the opacity is 0. Alright, and now we do not need to click on Export, we need to click on this Save Preset, and I will write YouTube here. Alright, and you need to make sure Save Effect setting is enabled and click on OK. So we have successfully created our proxy in Adobe Premiere Pro. basically it is a preset, and now we are going to ingest the preset in Adobe Media Encoder. Alright, so you need to click on cancel, and let me see you right inside the Adobe Media Encoder. Alright fellas, so we are right inside the Adobe Media Encoder. Here you need to make sure the renderer is selected as GPU acceleration, CUDA or OpenGL. Alright, so you need to click on this plus sign and select create ingest preset. Now the preset name can be anything. I'm going to write YouTube here, and the comments should be nothing. You need to make sure under transfer the copy files to destination is disabled and the transcode files to destination is enabled. You can select any path here. Just go for browse for location and select your desired location and click on select folder. And under format you need to make sure the QuickTime is selected, and here you will see the proxy that we just created, YouTube. And now we are going to click on OK. As you can see, we have successfully created our ingest preset for proxies that we can use in Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2020. Now we are going to right click on this and select reveal preset file. And now what you need to do, we basically need the path for this preset. Just click on this path and press Ctrl C, or you can simply right click and select copy. Alright, after that we need to go back to Premiere Pro, and here we are going to link our proxies with our project files. Alright, for this purpose you need to right click on your videos and navigate to proxy and select create proxies. First of all, whenever you open this first time, you will see nothing here. You just need to go to add ingest preset, and here you need to paste your file path that you copied earlier. You can hit Ctrl V, or you can right click and paste and press enter. Now this is my proxy that I just created. I will double click on it, and you can see the proxy has been successfully imported. And now make sure next to original media in proxy folder is checked and click on OK. Now congratulations, you have successfully made the proxies for your video files. And now in order to enable proxies, you need to go to this plus sign, and here you will see this option toggle proxies, and you need to drag this to this area and click OK. Alright, so once you have this option, you just need to click on this, and now you can see I have enabled proxies in my timeline. And now you play this video, it will be very smooth because it is highly compressed by Adobe Media Encoder, and you will not see, or you will not face any problems, any lags, any delays, any chopping in your timeline. Once you're done with your editing, you can simply switch it, and you can go to file, you can go to export media, and you can watch my other videos where I have told in detail how you can export best quality videos from Premiere Pro. Alright, so that's it. I hope this video was useful. One important tip here is that you can also select the playback resolution to at its lowest, which can increase the timeline performance, but it is not suitable. The suitable method is using proxies. Even if you are in full mode while you are editing your 4K videos, you will see a maximum performance without any delays. As you can see, there is no delay. And that's it. And in my next videos I will share how we can use the proxies in After Effects to maximize the rendering speed, maximize the rendering speeds in timeline without any lag and chopping. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any problem, you can comment down below, and if it is not solved, you can also follow me on Instagram and you can inbox me directly. I will try my best to reply all of your queries, and that's why I'm here. And thank you so much for your support. And that's it for today's video. I hope you like it. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.